A joint maritime set of drills dubbed Sama-Sama between the navies of the Philippines and the U.S. along with the participating countries kicked off in Zambales. This fortnight of naval maneuvers and activities is designed to reinforce interoperability among the allied nations. Our Patrick De Jesus took his team to Subic on kickoff day of Sama-Sama.
Compared to previous years, the Sama-Sama 2024 exercise between the Philippine and U.S. navies, along with other participating countries, will be larger and more expansive, focusing on maritime security and capability. The exercise officially began with an opening ceremony at the Naval Operating Base in Subic, Zambales earlier today. Other countries participating are Japan, Canada, France, and Australia. The United Kingdom will participate as an observer. Participating naval ships will also conduct a joint group sail. The group sail will be conducted in the northern part of Luzon, also utilizing various aerial assets. The exercise will not exceed the boundaries of the 12 nautical mile territorial sea.
For the Philippines, we're going to use our frigates. We have other patrol vessels to participate in this exercise, and then of course we have the smaller ones. There are a lot of skills that we want to develop.
The two-week training is focused on strengthening interoperability among the allied navies, and it is not targeting any specific country amid geopolitical tensions in the region.
The focus here is on interoperability, right, and on building partner capacity and interoperability for security in the region. The intent of this exercise is not to ruffle feathers. It's tailored for interoperability.
This is really about honing our skills. This has been going for decades already. So this is not new, and it's not intended for any other purpose.
The activities will first take place under the harbor phase of the Sama-Sama exercise, followed by the sea phase, which includes the group sail and other naval drills. There will also be a deployment from the U.S. Marine Rotational Force Southeast Asia for the Sama-Sama exercise, and the Kamandag exercises set to begin next week. Currently, the U.S. Marines are assisting with relief operations in Batanes, which was devastated by Super Typhoon Julian. Using their KC-130J aircraft, relief supplies have been transported in coordination with personnel and air assets from the Philippine Air Force.
What we've done is we've moved about 90,000 pounds to Loag Airport, which is up in northern Luzon. Will be staged there and then loaded onto MV-22 Osprey helicopters, tilt rotor platforms from the 15th Marine Expeditionary Unit. They're coming off of the USS Boxer. The USS Boxer is en route.
From Subic, Zambales, Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.